WEINMANN wants to achieve the maximum automatization and the highest degree of prefabrication. The HMI is a link between the operator and the machine, and it enables a smooth and intuitive processing of the element. wupWorks is our software and the cross-link between the operator and the machine. In the recent time, we were collecting a lot of customer feedback to analyze and to see where we can further improve our software and to make it even better.
So our main goal when developing wupWorks 5 was creating an easy to control, easy to handle, efficient and simple control software for our WEINMANN machines, and has new technologies so that it can be used on tablets as well. So the new menu navigation represents the real production sequence. So first we start with the import of the document, so the document handling. Then we prepare the job and the document. In the end we do the production itself so that the operator sees himself represented in this menu structure. So with wupWorks 5 the machine operator has the ability to import multiple documents and prepare them as well. And he can prepare documents while the machine is running, that he has a more efficient production. When importing documents, the user can now check them, see all the layers and the different elements and select them so that they are shown in the 3D view as well. He has an efficient way to prepare documents while the machine is running, especially running with another document open. And he can prepare other documents and prepare other parameters while it's producing. So the 3D visualization in wupWorks 5 is now showing all layers and all components, so the user can easily see the whole element. So the main benefit of this 3D view is that he can easily check his element, see if everything is correct. Additionally, wupWorks 5 offers a measurement mode in the 3D view, and this measurement mode is really simple to control. It has a snap-in functionality, so it's really easy to handle, and due to that it's really precise.
wupWorks 5 is first of all simple in use, quite versatile, flexible and of course high in performance. And what does flexibility mean? Flexibility in this regard means that you can already prepare the next job for the next element while the machine is currently processing the first element. wupWorks 5 will be available for the WALLTEQ M-300, but of course we're working under high pressure to enable all the other products to follow soon. We want to enable our customers to build a sustainable future using wood, or as we call it, building living spaces.